Oh, see, so we know that he was with you at that exact moment and knows what you did. Were you still going in his pockets? And because she's still looking for my money.
We were like goofing off, like, where's your money, Dad?
Oh, I love it. That's amazing. I love that.
Yeah.
We were goofing off, searching the pockets for money and laughing because I feel like he's there. And she told me, and it was a shock. It really was.
That is something that can never be broken, is that connection that you still have with your dad. Thank you. You're very welcome. Well, thank you, Dad.
Yeah, thanks, Dad.
I miss my dad, but I'll always know he's around me. And I'll keep that all in my heart.
Do you still have, what is with the plaque?
I hid it from you.
DiGiorno or delivery? DiGiorno or delivery? Taste for yourself why the shortest distance between you and a delicious fresh baked pizza is your oven. Thankfully, it's not delivery, it's DiGiorno.
Make fall fantastic with store-wide deals, like 10% off all major appliances, $3.99 and above.
See the way they're using their
Let's listen to Xylo squeak.
they're using their front legs more
Yeah.
for holding and